Today is not the day I should have said all this, because it is the day for New Year's Day. But only good decisions are to be taken on the New Year's Day. That's the custom with human beings. So today you all have to take the decision that what are we doing for Sahaja? What are we giving Sahaja? What is our achievement? Are we sharing with others? It's the greatest truth we have got. Nobody got it. People worked so hard, did so much. Nobody could give realization. It's only you can give realization. Very surprising. Kabir could not give realization to anybody. Jnanadeva could not give realization to anybody. All of them have been great, great saints of great value system and with great understanding. Whatever poetry they have given, people are singing, that's all. But they cannot give self-realization which you can do. With all that power, if you are not giving realization, what's the use of giving power to someone like that? So today's New Year's message is that next year you must give self-realization to many people. How many people you have given self-realization? That's the main thing. Just find out. What have you done throughout the year? I don't know how to count it, but you yourself count. What have we done? All these years, what have we achieved? Attending my puja is no favor to me, or doing anything for the puja is no favor to me. My greatest puja is that of human beings. And if you can achieve and spread Sahaja Yoga that fast, I'll be very, very grateful to you. I've worked very hard. I've really worked very hard. This body, this mind, all my health, everything I've done for saving people. And you please also tonight decide and take a view that what Mother is saying is very important and precious. We have to rise and give realization to me. But which is not so common. I am surprised why people are behaving in this manner who are realized souls. All my blessings for the new year. For all of you, Happy New Year. But next year should be full of many Sahaja Yogis who have done work and who have achieved something great. May God bless you.